Oh yeah. And we're going truck camping. What a nasty day. Welcome back, everybody. And if you're new here, my name's Weston and welcome to my channel. We're actually heading out right now. As you guys can hear, I'm just getting ready to leave the driveway and we got some torrential downpour. The street in front of me is actually flooding right now. The winds were absolutely insane. A little bit ago, I heard a great big tree come crashing down up the road. Hopefully nobody got injured. Hopefully it didn't land on somebody's house or vehicle, but it was loud. The winds are slowing down a little bit, but the rain's just picking up. Tomorrow is opening day of Wisconsin's first season for turkeys, and I got a tag. We're currently leaving right now. I'm going out, I'm gonna scout. I'm not sure if I'm gonna see much in this rain, but we're gonna give it a try. And I'm gonna be doing some truck camping tonight. I don't know where I'm gonna stay or what I'm doing yet. Still have to figure that out. I already have the food kind of figured out. I was out the other night with my daughters. We got some birds going, saw a bunch of birds. Hopefully with any luck tomorrow morning, we can get us a bird. So let's get on the road and I'll see you guys after a bit. Thanks for coming along. I also wanted to thank you guys so very much. The last couple of videos have been doing awesome. I've been getting a ton of feedback, ton of comments, ton of likes, and it greatly helps out my videos. And it just, it means a lot to me. I love reading all the comments, commenting back to you guys. And overall, that's what makes the videos the best part, is producing stuff that you guys want to see and then hearing your feedback. It just makes my heart happy. So thank you guys so very much. I love y'all. The old shotgun rider, literally. Tell you one thing, if the rain stays like this, it's gonna make for another very peaceful night of sleep in the truck. This is freaking nuts. A couple turkeys out there. Thunder's going. And yeah, it's getting absolutely soaked. Sitting out here where I plan to hunt tomorrow. Got some birds going here last night with my daughters. It's a whole different story today. Rain's still coming down pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna sit here and wait, see if it lets up right before dark, try to roost one, but I got a game plan in mind. Might get soaked. It is not gonna be real fun if it's coming down like this in the morning, but either way, I'm hunting, rain or shine. Turkey hunting is my thing, and I live for it. Probably gonna head out of here in a minute. If it doesn't let up, get over to camp. I got a spot I want to camp, and I'll be back here in the morning. I'm gonna try cooking some food up. Not sure how that's gonna go though with the wind and rain, so I'll probably just cook in here. Seen a lot of turkeys around though. Definitely am not gonna be able to hear one. All right, camp we go. I just saw some turkeys in the campground. I came around the corner and I watched the lightning. It is nasty out here, like disgustingly gross weather. That is crazy. That was so loud. It sounded like a gun going off. All right, everybody. I'm just pulling into the campsite. The rain is actually starting to let up a little bit, which is nice. Because it was, when I first got here, it was coming down hot and heavy, and then the lightning and thunder. It's definitely slowing down for a little bit, and then it's supposed to pick right back up tonight with some really heavy winds and some more rain and probably some lightning and thunder. So, but by that time we'll be chilling, watching a movie in here anyways. Be kind of nice to get some rain, put you to sleep real quick. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna start making food right away before this rain picks back up. Just put my slip on the post. And yeah, the roads and everything on the way were starting to flood a little bit. Hydroplaned a couple times on the highway. She's soft. Gotta open the back up, grab a couple things to cook, and then we'll get right into it. It's not gonna be a hard meal. Should be fairly easy actually, which is nice for today and the circumstances. Otherwise, worst case scenario, I don't mind all the hunting mess and clothes and whatnot, but I got MREs in here as well. But I'd rather make this meal instead of MRE, but we'll see. Got a lot of gear in here right now. That's getting a little low. Yeah, that'll work. All right. That is the first little bit of sunshine I've seen for the entire day. Once again, I think I'm gonna move my truck. We got some big branches that I've already broke off and they're hanging up above. That's the last thing I want coming down on me when I'm sleeping tonight. And these trees don't look awfully alive, so we are gonna go find a different site since the rain's died down for a minute. All right, that took a little bit longer than I anticipated, but I think we found one decently open enough. I'm not too sketched out because there's a lot of trees, dead trees in this campground. These pines should be all right. Like just a lot of dead stuff that I don't really feel too comfortable being underneath when the winds are super strong. And the winds are supposed to start whipping pretty good in a couple hours in the middle of the night, so I don't want to have to deal with it then. So I think we'll call this good. Not super level, but it'll be all right. Anyways, I'm gonna hop in, start making some food, and then we're just gonna have a chill night in the truck. It's starting to cool off pretty good, and I'm decently wet. All right, we're in the truck. Like I said, I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm just gonna get food made, and then we're just gonna chill in here tonight. And then I gotta be up real early in the morning, and we're gonna go see if we can kill us turkey. In order for me to use the fire maple cooker, I gotta pop this little thing out of my center console here, and it'll sit right in there perfectly. We can just cook right in here. There we go. Set up here. Perfect. So I just picked up a box of this Zatarain's Jambalaya, and I got some spicy sausage. I got some hot smoked sausage to go with it. Mix 2.5 cups water, rice, mix, meat of your choice. I don't know how this is gonna work in this little cooker. It's supposed to cook up to like 25 minutes. I'm gonna grab a plate out of here. I'm starving. Cannot wait to eat. There we are. Got our meat all cut up. I'm gonna fire this guy up. Got our rice mixture here. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my. Yeah, this is gonna be a hefty pot when I'm done. Add some water. Hope that's good. And we add our meat right away. That's probably about all we're gonna get in there without it being overfilled. Grab us a fork. Should say spork. Give it a good mix here right away. Kind of looks like a lot of water, but it'll thicken. I hope this turns out good. Rice is still crunchy. Trying to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom and burn, but my gosh, that's hard. All right, I think I'm gonna kill the heat. And I'm just gonna let this finish doing its thing in there. I'm gonna pop the Reflectix up, roll these windows up quick, get everything set up in here, and then we are gonna enjoy the rest of the night chilling in the truck. Huh, I was recording for that. Well, that's a first catastrophe in the truck. Hopefully that got that. Oh man, cap just came off and I tipped it over. You guys are probably laughing, asking what did I expect to happen. And I figured that might happen at some point. It's melting my nice butter I got here. Damn, that sucks. Oh well. Pick it up and continue on. Nice. I just picked up some of the sausage and threw it back in. My seat's not terribly dirty, it'll be all right. But yeah, that's funny. I did get that on video. I'm gonna pick this up really quick. Voila, almost as good as new. Aha. I had the cover on. I think I'll probably be picking rice out of my truck till the day I die, but overall we got her done. Pop into this, still hot. Give it a taste. That's good. It has got some spice to it. Yeah, that's good. Well, cooked perfect, not too runny. I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit more though. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get a movie going. I don't know if you guys can hear that wind or not, but it is whipping out there. Rain should be starting here before too long. It's gonna be a nice relaxing night in the truck, that's for sure. Find us a movie to watch. I just downloaded a bunch more from Netflix today. Haven't watched in a long time, but I'm gonna watch Role Models. If I remember right, it's pretty darn funny. So kick back, finish this jambalaya, and enjoy the rest of the night. Before too long, I'll be falling asleep and getting up early.
Look, life is hard, all right? We've lived together for 7.
All right, everybody. I just finished Role Models. It's a funny movie. I just haven't watched it in a long time, so yeah, it's pretty funny. But anyways, I might watch one more, start one, and then I'm gonna be heading to bed, and I'll be waking up here in like 6 hours. So I will see you guys bright and early. Good morning, everybody. I am tired, very tired. My alarm went off a couple times, and now it's time for me to get up and get on my way. So I'm gonna get rolling and see you guys after a bit. I'm on the road. It's currently 8 after 5 right now, so I'm making good time. I'll be there in about 15 minutes. And yeah, last night it poured. I slept like a rock when that rain started coming down. I mean, it was coming down hard. That's probably the hardest rain I've ever heard while sleeping in my truck. And now it's not raining right now, which is nice. Hope it stays like that for a while this morning. And yeah, I'm gonna meet up with my dad and be running and gunning. See if we can get us a turkey.
But it was tough. Learning to beg a big Tom. I didn't find out on the web on turkeykiller.com. I had to put in time. You'll learn to see you can be a turkey killer. Like me.
Just got to the spot. It's still raining a little bit. It's not as bad as it was. And I'm just waiting for my dad. My dad just showed up. Getting absolutely soaked out here. My dad's gonna try shooting a call and see if we can hear a gobble. We're in a whole different chunk now than what we were earlier, so with any luck we can either spot a bird or get one fired up. There's 3 of them.
There?
Yep.
Is that a strutter?
Yep. I can see them clear as day actually in this.
It's pretty red.
Is he coming? Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. To my heart, dude. Nice, man. Nice.
Oh, thanks for calling, buddy.
Oh, dude, that was freaking
for
awesome.
calling,
I was waiting for you to shoot, dude.
Oh, thanks for calling.
Oh, hell yeah.
What time is it?
Oh, hold on. Dude. Dude, I was filming. When he was coming right here, I was waiting for you to shoot, and I seen you moving.
On a string.
Hell
Thanks
yes,
for calling,
dude,
man.
absolutely.
That subtle call.
My heart couldn't take that much more.
You see me trying to get through the trees?
And there's a hen right behind you, and there was one right in front of you, and I'm like, there's no way.
She was, at one point, she was about 8 feet away from me. And I moved the gun, and she... Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. I thought he was bigger.
So did I.
Yeah.
I knew I could see that beard, though.
Yeah.
He got a 9-10 inch beard. That's a pretty long beard. 10-inch beard. That's not...
Busted his wing pretty good.
I'm still shaking like a leaf.
Oh, man.
That is so awesome. Dad got her done.
What a 10-inch beard.
Oh, that's awesome. Great start to the season. Oh man, I'm so rattled. I was shaking so damn bad.
So I can wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. Well, he's got a little weight.
Nice shot.
Thanks. Thanks for calling.
Oh yeah.
That's so
That's
cool,
awesome.
Man. That killed him.
That's so awesome. Victory lap.
Yeah. That was worth going right there.
Water pouring off my hat. Soaking wet. Worth getting up at that time of the morning too.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, I hit snooze once, and I'm like, oh, I can hear the rain coming down too. I'm like, yeah. They're out there in the rain.
Yeah. Beautiful bird. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks for going.
Absolutely.
Awesome. A 22.5.
Oh man, that is so awesome. Finally got to watch my dad kill another bird again. It makes it so worth getting up that early in the morning, just getting soaked. But yeah, I'll never forget that. That was an awesome hunt. I was just as excited, if not more excited than he was. Just trying to film a little bit, so. Anyways, we're heading to another spot, and we're gonna go check some fields I got permission for, see if we can get another, and if not, it's still been an awesome day.
Wagers on NBA games from January through March.
There's another Tom behind him strutting.
kill this bird, guys. All right, everyone. Just pulled in the driveway. Don't mind my absolute disaster of a truck right now. That'll happen when you turkey hunt for a day and camp in your truck. Anyways, I'm home now. Last night was great. It was fun making food in here again, besides me spilling a whole bunch of it all over my seat, which is, I mean, I think it's pretty funny actually. My dad was picking dry rice out of here earlier today, so I'll be cleaning that up. And then this morning, hunting with my dad. I always love hunting with my dad. He's the one that introduced me into the sport, and he showed me everything I know about hunting and turkey hunting, and being able to help call for him and try to somewhat film on my phone. Since it was raining, I couldn't bring the good cameras. I didn't want to risk it, but overall, it was an awesome day. I did not shoot a turkey. I've been hunting all afternoon, trying to find some. Been on many, and it just didn't quite work out. So tomorrow's a new day, and I'm going to be going in the morning, but I'm going to end this video here. I greatly appreciate you guys coming along, and I'm very grateful for all the support lately on the channel. You guys are awesome. We just hit 2,000 subs. I love the comments, love the likes. If you guys would just leave me a comment, let me know your favorite part of this video, I'd greatly appreciate it. And anyways, I'm going to get inside, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Love y'all. Take care. Stay safe.